The 97th International Assembly is coming. Anticipation is high that God is going to meet with us through the sessions of this assembly, empowering and guiding us onward as we are anointed to lead. Yes, our theme is Anointed to Lead, Join the Journey. As the leadership of this movement considered the focus of this assembly, the sense of God's impression was clear in 2 points: the work of the Holy Spirit ministry and vision. Even though our last assembly raised the Spirit theme, we could not get away from the sense that this was a call from heaven for this church to dig deeply into the wells of our heritage and renew our passion for the person and ministry of the Holy Spirit. Our prayer is that this assembly will affirm in each of our hearts that God has intentionally anointed us by His Spirit. Today we realize that God is using anointed leaders to move His people forward toward His last days. Vision is the universal means for leadership, and God intends that His people will not lack in vision. We believe God is pressing into our movement the 3 core values of Vision 2020. We feel strongly these are His high priorities for us, and we are committed to pursue these objectives and lead under His vision. Because God has anointed to lead this body through Vision 2020, this movement is on a journey. We have 8 years left in our march toward our vision. During this assembly, you will hear of general presbyters building their visions. Regional ministries are building their visions. And best of all, you'll hear of local churches and how they're building their visions. Our invitation in this assembly is to all levels and entities of this family of ministry. Join us July 25 through 29th at the Kentucky International Convention Center in Louisville. Come, join the journey as we walk ahead, anointed to lead.